Hey, what's good? Paul here from Vintage Paul's Clothing Boutique. Thank you for checking out this video. Today, I am super excited. They're opening a new Goodwill outlet store about 30 minutes from my house. Before I had to do an hour and like 5 minutes each way. It cost me like $16 every time in gas and tolls. So now I broke down the numbers. It's only going to cost me $3.88. So hopefully we can get in there, get some good stuff. Check it out. We're going to be taking you along inside shopping. At the end, we're going to show you what we got. So yeah, see you at the bins. First rotation, we went crazy and got GameStop sweats, Buffalo Bills sweatshirt, nice vintage 2000 piece, great graphics on that, North Face windbreaker, got the Pulp Fiction hit, 80s t-shirt on the Screen Stars, vintage 1994, Red Anvil, Captain Shuckers, this Y2K Affliction women's style Breckenridge long sleeve. On the Lee Sports Buffalo Sabres. Vintage 2004. Laugh t-shirt. Vintage Buffalo Bison's baseball. Modern neon Mickey hit. And this one was the best find of them all. This crazy heavyweight Barber jacket. That was probably the best find so far. So yeah. Right, so we were back from the bins haul. Show you what we got. It is a little bit different. There's some pricing differences, but it actually comes out cheaper because I'm paying less in gas and tolls. Overall, I liked what I found there. I got the Call of Duty Ghost on the jersey tag with the Call of Duty hit on the top of the hood. And it's even got a sleeve hit. Pretty sick. Camo button-up long sleeve. The Brad Paisley 2014 Tour Tee. Y2K Affliction women's shirt with the bedazzlement on the Breckenridge tag. Nice front and back graphics on that. Buffalo Bills long sleeve. Buffalo Bills short sleeve. Buffalo Sabres hockey long sleeve with the sleeve hit as well. The vintage Buffalo Bison's baseball on the Fruit of the Loom. Pulp Fiction mega print. Pretty sick. 2000 graphic t-shirt. I actually picked up another one of these this week. Second one. Nice graphics. 1980s vintage tee on the Screen Stars tag. Salt Life pocket tee with the big back hit. Sick. Nice essential Adidas athletic workout type shirt. This might be a keeper, my size, so I'm always looking for some new fresh workout gear. Chase Elliott racing tee. Laugh tee the comfort colors. Real Tree. Fish t-shirt. Vintage 2004 graphic tee. Vintage 1997, class of 1974 Bucknell reunion. Interesting piece there with the back hit as well. Modern but still cool neon Mickey shirt. Got a nice Essential North Face light windbreaker here with the hood and the back hit. I also picked up a pair of 2T sweat shorts. These are going to my nephew. Thought that was cool. A Raw Rolling Papers beanie. Carhartt beanie. And we got a nice GameStop sweatpants. So yeah, that was our haul. Pretty excited what we got. First time in a new location. There's still going to be some kinks to work out, you know, because they're just starting. Limited hours. And there's not as much bins as my old location I was going to. So yeah, I'm going to go a few more times, weigh the options, see which one's better. This one's like way closer, only 30 minutes each way, as opposed to an hour and 5 minutes. I'm paying only $3.88 in gas, as opposed to $16 in gas and tolls. So yeah, definitely a money saver. They also let me use my veteran discount, so I got 15% off, which was really cool. So yeah, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification as well to be updated on all new videos I got coming for you. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. This is Paul from Vintage Paul's Clothing Boutique. Peace.